Today we're gonna make butter chicken. Now we have to cut it right now. I finished cutting the chicken. Now let's wash it and marinate. Now let's marinate it with yogurt, turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder, and some garam masala and ginger garlic paste. Now let's add it in. Now we add some salt. Now let's let it sit for 1 hour and let's prepare the other things. Now let's add some kasturi methi. So we got some onions, tomatoes, and some chili and karivepala. Now let's go make the gravy. Now let's fry the chicken in butter. Now that we're finished making the chicken, now we can make the gravy. We're frying everything in butter so then we can make the gravy. First we fry cashew nut. Onions. When the onions are golden brown, we have to stop the heat. We're done with the gravy. Now we have to let it set. Then we have to paste it. Let's wait 10 minutes to cool the gravy. We grated it like a paste. Now let's put it in the pan. Now it's time to put the secret ingredient in. Do you know what the secret ingredient is? It's sugar. So let's put the sugar in. Now let's put the chicken into the gravy. Now let's put the lid on and let it set for 5 minutes. Add some creamer for taste. I didn't know I can make butter chicken this good.
Wow, it's really good. Did you taste the chicken?
Yeah. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel.